The PLINK website is an invaluable tool and a crucial point of reference whenever you work with genomic data and with the PLINK software. In this video, I would like to show you my 3 favorite parts of this website and coincidentally, the ones that I use most often. The first of these places is the file formats, which is located in the top of the screen. Well, PLINK does a lot of things and produces even more files and file types, and sometimes it is not really clear what some of the columns mean. If I ever land in this situation, I come to this page and I search for the file extension that I want to have more info on. So you see here are all the files that PLINK produces. And when you click on them, so all of these are clickable links, when you click on them, it takes you to the page where it actually briefly describes what this is about. Also, there are additional links which PLINK options are producing these file types, and then the description of the file itself. Normally, there is a list here, which is the names and explanations of the columns in that file. So the .fun file here is one of the very conventional ones and one of the basic ones. And you might think you know everything about it, but actually you see there is quite a lot of things written. So if you want to read up, you just can go ahead for this or any other file extension. Sometimes there are even more files and file types under one link. You could recognize this when there is a little star or the little asterisk in some of these file extensions. So for example, we go here, which is the beagle.chr and chr map, which are files produced by the record beagle PLINK option. Of course, I don't go through all these files all the time, but when I don't know anything, I come here to these file formats, click on the link, and I educate myself about the file and file format. The second place on the PLINK website I visit very often is a little box at the very bottom of the left pane. So if you scroll down here to the bottom of this left pane, you find this little search box here. I don't know how about you, but I keep forgetting the exact spellings of PLINK options and exactly what other option types they support. Whenever this happens, I come here and I type the option name. For example, we want to update some map files. I hit enter and it gives me all the PLINK options that have update in their name. So you see that there are a bunch of options here and also some other ones which actually don't have the update in their name, but they are related to this topic. The best thing is that these are clickable links. So for example, when I click on something, it takes me exactly where I need to go and shows me the information and the help page and the description I need to read in order to proceed with my analysis. This small search box is very helpful if you know what you are looking for. Well, sometimes I don't really know what I'm looking for, and then comes into play the third place I visit fairly often on PLINK website, and that is the index page. Conveniently, it is also placed here, at least the link is this index word here is also a clickable link. So you just click on that and it takes you to the complete flag index of PLINK 1.9. And not just that, but also some of the older options that are not used anymore, but still kept in this comprehensive index. For example, a bunch of the recode options that you see here that are not used anymore and are replaced by other expression. So these are also kept here. But let me give an example how I use this web page. For example, I know that I want to do something with a VCF file, but I'm not really clear what are the possibilities or what can be done with that overall. In that case, what I do, I hit Ctrl F and I search for VCF. And it gives me all the places where the VCF is shown on this website. So you see already here, there are something on the left pane as well, but I can go through all the occurrences of the VCF and I could see either in the option or the option description where this expression that I'm searching for, where it shows up. This is also a good way if you don't really know how to proceed in PLINK, but you have a vague feeling that it should be possible with PLINK. This is the place to check to see if there are any PLINK options that are suitable for your course. So here they are, 3 of my favorite places on the PLINK website. Let me know in the comments below about your favorite places, perhaps on this website or on the internet, which you find very useful for genetic or genomic analysis. For today, I thank you for your time and have a really nice day.